A semi-trailer is a trailer without a front axle. In the United States, the term is also used to refer to the combination of a truck and a semi-trailer. A tractor-trailer. A large proportion of a semi-trailer's weight is supported by a tractor unit, or a detachable front axle assembly known as a dolly, or the tail of another trailer. The other portion of the semi-trailer's weight is semi-supported to better distribute load to bearing wheel weight factors. Semi-trailers are more popular for transport than full trailers, which have both front and rear axles. Ease of backing is cited as one of the semi's chief advantages. A road tractor coupled to a semi-trailer is often called a semi-trailer truck or semi in North America and Australia, and an articulated lorry or artec in the UK. Semi-trailers with two trailer units are called B-doubles road train. A double trailer combination is possible with the use of a dolly or converter dolly, essentially 1 to 3 additional axles placed under the front of a second semi-trailer. The first semi-trailer is connected to the power unit using the tractor's fifth wheel coupling, while the converter dolly, already attached to the second semi-trailer, is connected to the first semi-trailer with a drawbar. In Australian English, the tractor unit is called a prime mover, and the combination of a prime mover and trailer is known as a semi-trailer. Semi, or single, invented by August Fruauf in 1914. Road tractors and semi-trailers carry a large part of the transport, with 1,170,117 million ton-kilometers transported this way in the European Union, including the UK. Road tractors and semi-trailers are 77.6% of the total ton-kilometers transported in 2015, according to Eurostat. In road haulage, semi-trailers predominate over full trailers because of their flexibility. The trailers can be coupled and uncoupled quickly, allowing them to be shunted for loading and to be trucked between depots. If a power unit fails, another tractor can replace it without disturbing the cargo. Compared with a full trailer, a semi-trailer attached to a tractor unit is easier to reverse, since it has only one turning point, whereas a full trailer has two turning points. Special tractors are known as shunt trucks or shuttle trucks can easily maneuver semi-trailers at a depot or loading and unloading ferries. These tractors may lift the couplings so the trailer legs clear the ground. A rigid truck and full trailer are articulated inside the cargo area length, so a semi-trailer can have a longer continuous cargo area. Because of this, a semi-trailer can haul longer objects. This depends on the legislation. In some European countries, a full trailer can be as long as a semi-trailer. However, since a rigid truck is longer than a semi-tractor, this increases the overall length of the combination, making it less maneuverable for heavy haulage or for increased maneuverability. Some semi-trailers are fitted with rear wheel steering, controlled electro-hydraulically. The wheels on all or some of the rear axles may be turned through different angles to enable tighter cornering, or through the same angle to move the rear of the trailer laterally. The two types of couplings are fifth wheel coupling and automatic. In some applications, no separable coupling is fitted, and the trailer is bolted to the tractor unit, using a bearing and rocker feet as are used under a fifth wheel skid plate. The towing vehicle has a wide coupling plate known as a fifth wheel coupling bolted onto its chassis on which the semi-trailer rests and pivots. As the tractor reverses under the trailer, a kingpin under the front of the trailer slides into a slot in the skid plate, and the jaws of the fifth wheel close onto it. The driver has to raise the trailer legs manually and couple the air brake lines and electrical cables. Some low-set trailers such as lowboys, low loaders and car transporters have electrically powered landing gear due to the necessarily low clearance prohibiting conventional landing gear. Many years ago, automatic couplings predominated, but have not been used now for around 50 years. Automatic couplings were generally used for payloads of 12 short tons or less, e.g. on the Scammell mechanical horse. The Scammell coupler was initially very popular and fitted to many other makes of truck. No coupling plate is used on the tractor. A turntable is permanently fixed to the underside of the trailer. This locks to the chassis of the tractor. When the tractor reverses under the trailer, its legs rise and the brake and electrical connections are made automatically. Almost the entire coupling and uncoupling procedure is operated by the driver from inside the cab, except that he or she has to descend to release the trailer parking brake. Different types of semi-trailers are designed to haul different cargoes. Common widths are 8 feet and 2.6 meters. Generally speaking, most North American type trailers use 2 axes.